Where'd you get that ball? I love the dog.
You love the dog?
He's a good boy. Isn't he? Yeah.
You want to do a video log of our lives?
Not really.
You're a jerk.
I'm not Charles Trippy.
Why not? I wish you were.
Why?
I'm just kidding.
No. Why don't you get Milo?
What's he doing up there?
He's just chilling.
Oh my god. That cat. Almost called him a dog. Hey!
We should have did a video of him getting shaved.
That would have been pretty funny.
Isn't the battery almost dead on that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Stop shooting me.
What's Tommy doing right now? Baby, what are you doing? What are you doing? Tell me.
Download the stuff.
What? What are you downloading?
Stuff. Now you beeswax.
What kind of stuff?
Now you beeswax.
I got a lot of beeswax in all my beeswax.
You know what? Okay.
Colin, you're on camera.
Oh, you filming me?
You're gonna be in it.